My name is Viola Kiplimo. I come from Kenya. I work in Kenya as a corporate communication officer in a hospital. I came to BLK because I was suffering from rheumatoid arthritis for the last 23 years. I've done several surgeries somewhere else in Kenya, and now they done my hip in Kenya 4 times, so it was not so good. It put me bedridden, and now I had to Google for some hospitals, and I got this BLK. In BLK, it's Dr. Pradeep Sharma, the orthopedic HOD, who sent a report to me and said I come to India, New Delhi, for the treatment plan. When I arrived, he received me so well, and he started giving me the care plan. And he explained to me that the previous implants that were used is going to use a different implant called tripolar cup. Now he sent me for the test in radiology, in lab, and all the tests that were required, like the echo, ECG, and all the tests that were required. After that, I was admitted on 21st, and on 24th, I did my surgery. My surgery went so well, and after that was taken to recovery for some time. Then I was transferred to ICU because of complications of blood pressure. But I was taken care of, I was taken care by the nurses there at the ICU so well, and even the doctor kept visiting severally just to control my PP. Within some hours, I slept in ICU, and the next day I was transferred to the ward, and my surgery was so good. The pain had reduced. The controlled pain management team were there for me, the nurses and every department that relates in the same, in taking care of me. So I was brought to the ward, and the third day, which was yesterday, I was made to stand by the physiotherapy department by Mr. Atul. I stood and I walked like 3 steps. And luckily enough, today I walked also like more than 10 steps. 10 steps going and 10 steps coming back with non-weight bearing. And the dressing was done, everything was done, and luckily enough, Dr. Pradeep came today and he said he's discharging me for another 14 days. Then I'll come for checkup after that 14 days. I'm so grateful here in India, in Delhi, and foremost is the BLK hospital. I'm happy to have met Dr. Pradeep Sharma. He has solved all my problems and has made me pain-free, and I will lead also a normal life. Thanks to him. May God bless him. May God give him courage to continue helping other patients apart from me, and also give him long life. Thanks to BLK fraternity staff also. I'm so much happy, and I'm going home as a happy patient. Thank you so much.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.